In this video, we'll be going over how to look up a tax payment that you've made on the IRS website using the Direct Pay program. Direct Pay is a program that the IRS has that allows you to pay directly from your bank account any taxes, interest, penalties that you may owe without incurring a convenience fee. So we're on the irs.gov/payments page. We'll put a link to that in the show notes. But basically, you can see that there's a variety of options on how to pay the IRS. You can make a payment with the bank account. That's what we're going to circle back to. You can also pay by credit card or digital wallet, debit card. Those incur processing fees because they go through third-party processors. You can pay from your IRS account. So if you have an online IRS account, and I encourage everyone to establish one through id.me, then you can make your payments in your online account. You can absolutely look them up if for tax preparation purposes if you need to. And then there's a bunch of other ways that you can also pay. You can send a check through the mail. You can wire money to the IRS. You can actually do an electronic funds withdrawal. That's what your e-filed return will allow you to do. Or you can actually go to one of several retail partners, give them cash in exchange for a convenience fee, and then they'll submit a payment to the IRS on your behalf. So what we're going to do is we're going to look up our payment under the Direct Pay program. So now we're under Direct Pay with bank account. And again, Direct Pay allows you to pay individual or business taxes. We're going to go to the individual tax. So this screen might look familiar because we used the make a payment option to make that tax payments in the other video. What we're going to do is look up that tax payment. So now we're on the Direct Pay payment lookup page. And we can look up the confirmation number. I always encourage people to get an email confirmation, or at the very least write down their confirmation. I happen to have an email from the IRS. This appeared in my box probably 1 to 2 minutes after I actually made the payment. I paid, I believe it was $1. So we've got the confirmation. There's really no other personally identifiable information in this email. So we're going to hide this screen right here so I can type in the payment information. As you can see, I've used this to look up previous confirmations. So I'm going to try and look this one up without using the dashes and see if it will accept that. It looks like it automatically appears with the dashes in it. It's got the confirmation number, my payment amount of exactly $1, when it originated, but then it says submission date, 18 August. It was paid out of my account on 19 August. Reason for payment, it was an estimated tax. So 1040 ES for my 2025 tax return. Came out of my USAA banking account. My account number is off screen, and then the only other address there is my email address for the confirmation. So it's pretty short, it's pretty simple, and it's a way that you can track down payments if you're coming to tax time and you're like, oh, I know that I made a payment, I forgot how much it was. This is a quick way to do that if you don't have access to your online IRS account. So Direct Pay, again, when using Direct Pay, I always encourage you to either write down or, better yet, have an email confirmation of your confirmed payments. So this works for both taxes that you owe for prior years, like a balance due payment or an installment agreement payment. This would also work for estimated tax payments that you're looking to make for the current tax year. So that's all we have for this video. We'll put links in the show notes to other videos and resources we've created on topics that are pertinent. So, things like the direct pay tax payment video, as well as Form 1040 ES, which is the estimated tax, if you need to dig into some more detail on how to actually estimate your tax for payment purposes. If you like our YouTube videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like our articles, please subscribe to our newsletter. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, or if there's another topic that you'd like to see in an upcoming video, please hit me up in the comments section. Thank you very much and have a great day.